Arya, come on in. Hi Arya, how are you today? You look like you've been through something. So you didn't bark, you fled. How about we start with something smaller? Don't run, just be with the vacuum cleaner. Many dogs are scared of vacuum cleaners just like Arya is. Some run, some hide, some bark. It's all different ways of expressing fear and uncertainty. And there are different things that you can do to help your dog get used to the vacuum cleaner. Let your dog see the vacuum cleaner while it's off. Reward calm behaviour. Use short exposure sessions. Never chase or tease with the vacuum cleaner. And gradually close the distance. Progress doesn't mean they have to love the vacuum cleaner. It just means that they have to be less scared of it and can be around it. That's progress. Therapy works. Thanks for watching everyone. I hope you're enjoying our dog therapy series. We're definitely enjoying making them. If you'd like to see more, you can check them out in the description below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and Arya and I will see you again soon with a new video. Bye.